Say, hey girl, we getting you. So I'm looking in here and I'm thinking, I don't know. This is I'm also wondering where's Jared gonna pull like that color, like what's on the ground from. Because these are whiter than what like normal garages are, and I'm thinking that it's gonna be a little too grunge. Like it's gonna give like a grunge vibe. Do you have any photos of like
ideas?
Yeah, like.
Well, and you know, normally those types of shoots are done in like more open garages.
With light, right?
Yeah, with light, natural light. Yeah. If we have to do it, you know, all of it out on the you know, in the shops, then that's fine. You know. I was just trying to, you know, get it where we're not having to be out in the rain and stuff, but it seems like it's working out. It's fine.
Yeah, as long as the rain is not blowing and like and all that,
yeah,
we're good.
Okay.
Like
so many different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Totally.
We're back with art.
Yeah, the last time that we came, we didn't. I guess nobody else used to come in. Would it be bad if we got both here?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Do you want to get both here, or do you want to?
That's fine.
What do the other ones look like? Like colors wise?
It's black and white. So mine is all black.
Okay.
And I have silver boots.
Okay. I kind of like how this is more like toned down and what you guys brought here for these ones. But I don't know if the other, like what you had in mind for the next outfit as far as location.
Okay.
I'm up to whatever.
Okay.
Whatever you had initially.
Okay.
You want smiling?
Yeah, let's get some smiling.
Can I get any smiling? Like,
probably a little bit. I'm fine.
Maybe like I start looking out, so that's like.
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
Very Cowens.
We're excited to work out.
Alright, okay. I like the laughter.
In athletic wear. Okay, yeah, we're excited to work out. So guys, we are pitching tents so that we could get dressed down here in the garage. Say hi, Kim. Hi. So here's mine. You guys, when we say that this is the life of an entrepreneur, you got to get it the best way that you can, okay? All right, so about to get myself together and get dressed and all that. All right. Okay, guys, so we made that quick change. Oh, kind of quick. Kim has on heels, that's why she's super tall. But we're about to go and do this last look, and then we are done. Do you know what you're getting? Shrimp and fish? I think I'm gonna get that as well. Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to a podcast recording, and we were invited about a month or more than a month ago to be on a new podcast. So we'll let you guys know what the name of it is and all of that when that time comes for it to air. But yeah, so we are kind of running behind, so we're trying to hear all of the directions and all of that stuff like that. And so Keandra's driving. She's trying to cruise on down Main Street, relax and feeling good. But yeah, so we are going to go, we're supposed to go eat with a friend today, later on today. And so if we don't go eat with her, we're still going to go eat, and we're going to take you guys with us.
What? Who?
I think it's like the tanny, like woven one.
Oh, that with the black trim?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's cute. Outfit of the day. So, I know what she's talking about. So, I have on my Farm Rio dress, you guys. Got it a couple of years ago. It is my favorite. Yes, I'm so a repeat offender of wearing clothes that I've already had on before. But I styled it different. I have on my Chelsea boots, my combat boots. These are Jeffrey Campbell. I have my Tory Burch convertible bag on. And then I have on my Tory Burch earrings. Can you see? Okay, yeah. They're super cute. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. And yeah, so this is my look. We did a podcast earlier today. It was so cool. Really nice. And yeah, about to go and see what we can get our hands into. All right. that is cute. I like this one too. It's pretty. I do. Yeah, that one is pretty. It's really springy. Yeah. This one is too. I would try that one on, the lavender one, but I have a dress on. I don't want to have to, like, I want to be able to look at myself and take pictures and stuff like that. Let me find a dress though. Okay guys, I think I love this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and flirty. Oh, and I love the oversizedness of the sweatshirt. I love the flirtiness of the skirt. And then I love how I have it paired with my boots and my black Tory Burch bag. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all, Anthropologie. Oh, y'all, I'm loving them. I'm in love. Yes. Super cute. Okay, so it says here, what does this say? Nep Holy. Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No.
Okay.
That's okay. Nep Holy. Yeah, it's obviously like an Italian. Like I can't read this like backwards or whatever. Oh no, but either way, it's cute. I love it. It's cute. Oh, so flirty and cute. Yes.
Hey guys, so I am in Anthropologie today and I'm looking for something for the BMI Awards. This is a little bit too casual for me. I want something a lot more dressy. It's like a showcase honors show, and I want to be way more dressy than this, so I want to keep looking.
Can you see?
No. I just know where my lips are.
So you guys get to see Kim applying her Happy.
Rare Beauty.
Rare Beauty, Happy. Okay, well, can't see it, but okay. So we're about to get some pictures right quick before going inside to eat dinner at South City Kitchen here in Atlanta. We're gonna be eating with a friend tonight. And yeah, so gonna get these pictures and then go inside and eat.